Hello, it's me, Vicky, again. And in today's video, we're going to do some practice with modal verbs in English. So, modals. Do you know what modal verbs are? There's quite a few videos on my channel about modal verbs. Modal verbs are verbs like might, can, could, would. In English, they are verbs, but they don't conjugate like normal verbs, so we call them modal verbs. They don't change for the person. They have different tenses, like you have can and could, should, would, might, etc. But they don't operate like normal verbs do. That's why we call them modal verbs. Anyway, so it's quite advanced, this video. If you're a beginner, you may not get, you may find this video difficult to follow, but that doesn't mean to say that you won't get anything out of it. So it's always worth listening, having a go at the exercises, repeating them, whatever level you are. Okay, so basically, I'm going to give you a sentence with as part of it missing, and I'm going to give you 3 alternatives, and you have to choose which one is the correct one. So remember, you can always pause the video while you think about it. If you don't want to see the answer straight away, stop the video, have a think about it, see which one you think it is. Okay, so number 1. Yesterday I fell running, and I think my ankle. So our 3 alternatives are might have sprained, might sprain, and then I'm likely to sprain. So there's your 3 choices. Might have sprained, might sprain, I'm likely to sprain. So which one do you think is correct? Now, I give you a countdown to when I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answer in 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answer is might have sprained. Yesterday I fell running, and I think I might have sprained my ankle. Did you get it correctly? I'm going to repeat them all at the end, okay? Number 2, he, blank, 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 the competition. He's the best by far. And our 3 alternatives are is bound to win, will win definitely, must win. So, which one do you think is correct? Have a think about it. I'm going to give you count to 3, and then I'm going to give you the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is he's bound to win. Yeah, he's bound to win the competition. He's the best by far. How did you do? Let me know how you did in comments. Okay, number 3. The light in Scott's room is on. He, blank, 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 computer games. And your 3 choices are must play, must have played, must be playing. Now, the clue here is the light in Scott's room is on. Okay, so it has to be present tense. Anyway, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is he must be playing computer games. Okay, so remember at the end I'm going to repeat them all. Number 4, he blank German very well. He's only lived in Germany for 1 month. And your alternatives are can't have spoken, isn't bound to speak, can't speak. Okay, so which do you think it is? So think about it. I'm going to give you this count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is, he can't speak German very well. He's only lived in Germany for 1 month. How many of you got correct? Okay, number 5. The burglar broke into our home in daylight. Some of our neighbours, and your alternatives are, might have seen, will definitely see, might see. Which one do you think it is? Might have seen, will definitely see, might see. Okay, I'm going to count to 3, give you the 3 countdown. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is might have seen. Oh, there needs to be a him there. The burglar broke into our home in daylight. Some of our neighbours might have seen him. Might have seen him. Oh, I always get at least one wrong, isn't it? Always make at least one mistake because I'm human. Okay. So the burglar broke into our home in daylight. Some of our neighbours might have seen him. Put that on a better pen because for when I repeat it later. Okay. Number 6. I blank, 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 blank a lot as an accounting manager, but the job was just too boring. Okay, so your alternatives are could have earned, have definitely earned, might earn. Which one's correct? Okay, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I could have earned a lot as an accounting manager, but the job was just too boring. Okay, number 7. This song, blank, blank, the next big hit. And your 3 alternatives are definitely will be, is sure to be, must have been. Okay, so I'm going to count to 3 before I give you the answer. 1, 2, 3. The answer is sure to be. This song is sure to be the next big hit. Okay, number 8. He blank blank to prison for the theft because he has no criminal record. And your 3 alternatives is unlikely to go, will unlikely to go, must not go. Okay, which do you think it is? I'm going to count down to I count up. I can do it the other way. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's go the other way for a change. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to give you the answer. He is unlikely to go to prison for the theft because he has no criminal record. Okay, number 9. I can't find the cat, but I will check under the bed because he blank, blank, blank there. And your 3 alternatives are might hide, could have been hiding, may be hiding. So, which one is it? What do you think? Please let me know in comments how many you get correct. Okay, so I'm going to count down to the answer. 3, 2, 1. And the answer is, he may be hiding. I can't find the cat, but I will check under the bed because he might be, may be hiding there. And the last one, number 10. Okay, you, blank, 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 a copy of the contract at the email address you provided the day after you signed. Okay, 3 alternatives. Should have received, should receive, must be bound to receive. Now then, this is a tricky one because I think 2 of these sound potentially correct. But anyway, I'm going to count down to the answer. 3, 2, 1. Here's the answer. You should have received a copy of the contract at the email address you provided the day after you signed. Okay? So, should have received. So let's go back to the beginning, just practice them one more time. Remember to practice your pronunciation. I am British, if you're learning English. This is British, a British accent you're learning, which is the best accent, of course. So, yesterday I fell running and I think I might have sprained my ankle. Number 2. He's bound to win the competition. He's the best by far. Number 3. The light in Scott's room is on. He must be playing computer games. Number 4. He can't speak German very well. He's only lived in Germany for 1 month. Number 5. The burglar broke into our home in daylight. Some of our neighbours might have seen him. Number 6. I could have earned a lot as an accounting manager, but the job was just too boring. And number 7. This song is sure to be the next big hit. Number 8. He is unlikely to go to prison for the theft because he has no criminal record. Number 9. I can't find the cat, but I will check under the bed because he may be hiding there. And number 10, you should have received a copy of the contract at the email address you provided the day after you signed it. Okay, how did you do? Let me know in comments. And remember, I'm always available for Zoom classes. If you're interested in improving your English and you would like to have some classes with me, please contact. And, I have students from all over the world at the moment, and it's good because of Zoom. We can arrange a suitable timetable and private classes on Zoom or in a classroom. Private classes, one-to-one classes are probably the best way to improve your speaking. But anyway, if you're interested in classes, let me know. Okay, so that's it. I will see you very soon in the next video. And as always, until that day, may your God go with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.